Please like, share, and subscribe.
2001 Corvette Z06. This car was bought for a 50th birthday gift. Car was bought new in KC and stayed local, and was sold to us directly by the previous owner. The car is a low-mileage well-kept Z06, and rare being a one-owner. The 2001 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 is a high-performance car with a number of features, including engine. The 5.7-liter V8 engine produces 385 horsepower and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. Transmission. The standard M12 6-speed manual transmission has aggressive gearing to increase torque multiplication. Brakes. The 12.6-inch brake discs with anti-lock and front-rear proportioning provide exemplary stopping power. Suspension. The FE4 suspension has a larger front stabilizer bar, stiffer rear leaf spring, and increased negative camber. Body. The C5 Corvette's modular body panels are made from a lightweight composite material called sheet-molded composite SMC. Features. The Corvette includes AM, FM, CD, radio, and cruise control. The 2001 Corvette was the last generation of Corvette to use pop-up headlamps. This Corvette is finished in torch red exterior, with black and torch red interior. Other options include active handling, 17-inch front and 18 rear wheels, leather-trimmed seats, memory package, electrochromic mirrors, body side moldings.
Please like, share, and subscribe.